ICAR, Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research. The Himalayas are the largest mountain chains and ecosystems on Earth. Its snow-clad mountains and glaciers are the source of cold water supplies to our planet's inhabitation in the region. A significant distribution of cold water fishery resources of India are spread across the northeastern to western Himalayan region of the country. A long stretch of Himalayas of around 2,500 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh in the east and 200 to 400 kilometers from north to south, comprising an area of 5,33,604 square kilometers, are home to 258 different types of fish species of cold water resources, mainly in the upland streams, rivers, high and low altitudinal lakes and reservoirs located across the 12 hill states in the country. Cold water fish form a significant part of the diet of the Indian upland population and ensure nutritional security to a greater extent. Important cold water fish includes varieties of snow trout, mahseer, exotic trout, minor carps, barrels, minnows, and loaches. The National Research Centre on Cold Water Fisheries became an independent research centre on 24th September 1987 during the 7th Five-Year Plan, subsequently renamed as the Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research in the year 2008 during 11th Five-Year Plan in the city of Bhimtal. Bhimtal is also the gateway to the northern Kumaon region of Himalayas of Uttarakhand. The city of Bhimtal is also known as home to large freshwater lakes. The mandates of the Directorate are basic, strategic and applied research in cold water fisheries and aquaculture, act as a repository of information on the hill fishery resources, human resource development through training, education and extension.
The major thrust areas of this institute are the assessment and management of cold water fisheries resources, safeguard of its aquatic habitats, as well as the promotion of cold water aquaculture. ICAR-DCFR has made tremendous progress in its research and development towards sustainable management of cold water fisheries resources and also for enhancing farm fish production in the Indian uplands through adopting various scientific innovative technologies, refinement and developments of its technologies, knowledge sharing in various agroclimatic conditions, and involving the various resources as well as farmers towards development of this sector in the country.
Conferred with an ISO 9001, the ICAR-DCFR has been honored with several prestigious awards, is a premier modern institution with laboratories equipped with the most advanced systems, administrative blocks, wet labs, feed mills, aquariums, library, AKMU cell, auditorium, guest house, flow-through mahseer hatchery, model fish hatchery, cemented ponds, polyline tank demonstration unit and polyhouse concrete tanks. The Directorate also has an experimental fish farm at Champavat, situated 150 kilometers from Bhimtal. The experimental farm has all the provision for cold water fish breeding and culture. DCFR's major activities cover resource assessment, mapping of aquatic resources using geoinformatics, exploration of fish biodiversity, habitat assessment, aquaculture, expansion of trout farming in Himalayan states, aquaculture diversification, development of brood bank and seed bank, development of larval and grow-out feed, disease surveillance and fish health management, identification of usable traits in important cold water fish species for marker-assisted selection, biological studies, extension, consultancy and capacity building, transfer of technologies and human resource development, consultancies for fisheries development, outreach and network programs, nutrient profiling, fish feed, fish genetic stock, ornamental fish, National Surveillance Program for Aquatic Animal Disease, antimicrobial resistance, fish health, synthetic peptide hormone research, nanopeptide delivery system, National Initiative on Climate Resilience Agriculture, field demonstration and farming at Experimental Fish Farm, Champawat. Over the last decade, DCFR's tremendous achievements have been riding high on the graph. Current fish production in cold water sector at 55,000 tons. Trout production has seen a significant growth at 1,100 tons at present. Rainbow trout egg production, overproduction at 12.17 million, a 450% increase over the last 10 years. Aquatic resources includes spatial mapping and creation of digital database on streams and rivers of approximately 10,000 kilometers. Have built genetic stocks of rainbow trout in India from Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Munnar from Kerala. The sprawling institution complex of ICAR DCFR is a world in itself. To begin with, the Diagnostic Virology Lab has the core area to look for virus prevalence in cold water fish species. Virology Lab has been involved in several important projects like disease surveillance, developing diagnostic tools for fish viruses, development of positive controls for infectious pancreatic necrosis, infectious hematopoietic necrosis virus, viral hemorrhagic septicemia, for which the scientists at ICAR DCFR have developed positive controls and standardized PCR conditions so that in future such diseases can be diagnosed. Diagnostic Bacteriology Lab has profiled 200 isolates of pathogenic bacteria with antimicrobial resistance profile which cause diseases in rainbow trout fish farms in northern India. The laboratory for the first time also reported presence of bacterial pathogen Lactococcus garvi and its whole genome sequence. Developed rapid diagnostics for the identification of Lactococcus garvi. The Fish Parasitology and Mycology Laboratory provides effective solutions to farmers concerned about fish fungal diseases infested in rainbow trout, mahseer or in exotic carps. A team from the lab collects samples from farmers' ponds and are then brought to the lab where they are checked for their clinical symptoms like the external physical appearance on the gills, for hemorrhage and so on. The Directorate's Aquaculture Laboratory is the heart of cold water fisheries research. The lab analyzes water quality samples from farmers, develop polytank-based fish farming technology having an integrated approach, develop breeding and cultured technology of 12 important species in the last 10 years, including few indigenous species. Develop triploid production technique with better growth performance for the rainbow trout fish. The Directorate has majorly focused and expanded trout farming and provided technical inputs in the different Himalayan states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. One of the important achievements of this directorate is to provide technical support, guidance and training to the trout farmers from different regions of Sikkim, and because of ICAR DCFR's tireless efforts, 450 trout growers in Sikkim are adopting trout fishing. The aquarium of ICAR Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research, also known as the Himani Aquarium, has been developed to breed and culture of a number of indigenous ornamental cold water fish species of the country. The aquarium maintains around 20 varieties of indigenous and exotic cold water hillstream ornamental fishes like golden mahseer, chocolate mahseer, black mahseer, hill trouts and loaches. The fish are maintained under optimum water parameters to achieve natural spawning. The aquarium is open to general public, students and visitors. A separate wet lab is also associated with the ornamental fish aquarium for rearing the young ones of the fishes.
One of the important programs and achievement of DCFR is the captive rearing and breeding of indigenous ornamental fishes of cold water region. We are being able to breed 4 species of Gara, 2 species of Sistura and 2 species of mahseers, that is golden and chocolate mahseers.
The Nutritional Physiology Laboratory deals with research on fish physiological aspects of cold water species, which includes the ecophysiology, reproductive physiology and thermal biology. The lab is equipped with most modern system for analysis of enzymatic and molecular research for larval and grow-out feed for different fish species brought into the aquaculture system. The ICAR DCFR's Environmental Fish Biology and Nutrient Profiling Lab works on qualitative and quantitative assessment of Himalayan fish biodiversity for habitat ecosystem assessment of the aquatic water bodies. The lab profiles biotic and abiotic parameters of different lakes, rivers, streams of the Indian Himalayan region in order to achieve sustainable management and development of cold water fisheries. The water bodies of the Himalayan region inhabit diverse forms of fish fauna. The team of ICAR DCFR's Geoinformatics Laboratory has digitized the aquatic resources of the Indian Himalayan region on GIS platform and subsequently developed a spatial database to carry out strategies to develop fisheries in resources such as rivers, reservoirs, upland lakes in terms of upland aquaculture, recreation and livelihood. The lab has further carried out fish biodiversity studies along the catchment with respect to altitudinal regimes of Indian river systems, particularly in drainages of Indus, Jhelum, Beas, Upper Ganga, Yamuna, Kosi, Kali, Teesta and Kameng of Indian Himalayan region. ICAR DCFR's Geoinformatics developed the Decision Support System DSS for site selection in Leh Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh for trout farming. The Uttarakhand Tarai region was selected on spatial analysis for carp culture. At present, the lab is working on spatial mapping of aquatic resources, fisheries infrastructure and potential trout suitability sites using ArcGIS 10.7. The spatial database together with ground truth developed at ICAR DCFR's GIS lab is intended for a roadmap or a document supporting the policymakers to frame policies and to build strategic action plans for cold water fishery development in their respective regions. ICAR DCFR's Molecular Biochemistry Lab serves the area of synthetic biology, which includes designing synthesis and characterization of various biomolecules for application in aquaculture. One of ICAR DCFR's synthetic products releasing hormone, GNRS, Gonapin-D, tested in field conditions, received promising results. The lab at ICAR DCFR is also developing self-penetrating peptides for delivering of genes inside fish cells. The DCFR's Molecular Genetics Laboratory is based on studying genetic diversity of the fishes in the cold water region by using different molecular markers identifying genes responsible for stress management in the cold water fishes, the cold-tolerant genes, stress-following genes, and so on. Studying the adaptation mechanism of the species in the cold water region, this lab receives a number of students from around the country for training and to carry out their research and achieve academic objectives. At the cage near Bhimtal Lake, ICAR DCFR's team has developed a number of aquaculture approaches to increase fish production from the natural water bodies, just a kilometer away from its hatchery at the Bhimtal Lake.
पहाड़ की बात करते हैं तो पहाड़ में ग्रास कार्प एक ऐसी फिश है जो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी ग्रो करती है। ये बहुत हाई डेंसिटी में हम इनको कल्चर करके ये वाला साइज अचीव कर सकते हैं।
ICAR DCFR has established an experimental cage unit consisting of 16 compartments for culture of young ones of grass carp, silver carp, and the prized masir. The fingerlings are later distributed to the local farmers in the nearby areas for achieving better productivity from the culture ponds and tanks. The results were very progressive in the mid-altitudinal hilly regions, especially for the carps. RAS Recirculatory Aquaculture Experimental Unit ICAR DCFR's constant endeavor has been to maximize water conservation, and its team has indigenously built a RAS on a pilot scale that saves water and enhances cold water fish growth. The RAS uses only 9,000 liters of water to run the entire unit. With this RAS being fully operational, a kilo of rainbow trout can be grown in only 1,000 liters of water, which otherwise would require almost 5 lakh liters of water. The system is made available to train farmers who may have very limited water resources in their places. ICAR DCFR Masir Hatchery Bhimtal is a nodal state-of-the-art facility in the country for seed production of golden masir and chocolate masir, which has brought a totally different pride and glory. ICAR DCFR's hatchery's core activity is to produce seeds of masir, its further ranching and rehabilitation in cold water systems. Golden masir is an endangered species and its conservation is of utmost importance. Obtaining maturity of masir in captivity was a challenge, and ICAR DCFR accepted the challenge and developed a technology for controlled maturation of broodstock and its seed production, eventually boosting the production of golden and chocolate masir. This is ICAR DCFR's a leading research technology which has been successfully disseminated to several Himalayan states across the country. ICAR DCFR Experimental Fish Farm Champawat. ICAR DCFR Experimental Fish Farm Champawat is about 150 kilometers away from the headquarters at Bhimtal and is situated at an altitude of 1,550 meters. The ICAR DCFR's sprawling and purposeful experimental farm at Champawat, spread across in an area of 3 hectares, is equipped with 6 trout raceways, 10 nursery ponds, 10 carp ponds, water storage tank, trout hatchery with 1 lakh-eyed ova, demonstration poly tank, training hall and labs alongside office administration buildings. The farm demonstrates rainbow trout, snow trout and carp breeding and culture techniques for the farmers, state fishery officers and entrepreneurs in enhancing their livelihood. The farm also has the Hungarian common carp, an improved species for research purpose, used to produce seeds and distributed to local farmers for enhancing farming income. Training. The ICAR DCFR has been actively conducting a number of training programs for farmers, extension officers, researchers, policymakers, NGO personnel, KVKs and SAUs from time to time. ICAR DCFR has trained more than 5,000 farmers, 300 officers, researchers and other stakeholders during the last 5 years. The Directorate has adopted 21 villages in Uttarakhand and Northeast region under the program of Mera Gaon, Mera Gaurav.
हमारी पहचान, हमारे पहाड़ की पहचान, हमारे किसान की पहचान एक ट्राउट पालक के रूप में होगी। बहुत सारी परेशानियां आप लोगों ने झेली, लेकिन फिर भी आप भारत में इस ट्राउट मछली पालन में नंबर 1 हैं। और इसमें क्या हम अच्छा कर सकते हैं और इसको ज़्यादा कैसे बढ़ाएं, ये सब आपको और हमारे सिक्किम गवर्नमेंट के फिशरीज निदेशालय को और भीमताल स्थित हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट, हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब को, हम सबको मिलके योजनाबद्ध तरीके से आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत है।
The Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research has been instrumental in providing most modern research facilities and infrastructure for the visiting academic students and scholars, PhD programs, MSc degree students from universities across the country. Extension programs. Reaching out to as many farmers has been a major focus for ICAR DCFR under the Tribal Subplan TSP and Scheduled Caste Subplan SCSP and Northeast Hill NEH activities, which covers construction and renovation of ponds, portable hatcheries, building trout raceways and more for the tribal regions. Similarly, hosting farmers and meetings and providing trainings and input distribution. ICAR DCFR has prepared the guidelines of importing genetically improved trout-eyed ova to Indian waters and providing technical support to Department of Fisheries, Jammu and Kashmir in rearing the improved strain of rainbow trout imported from Denmark. ICAR DCFR has been working in the partnership mode with the State Fisheries Department of Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Nagaland and other northeastern states for expansion of trout farms, conservation of Masir fisheries, eco-tourism development and other sustainable management of fisheries. MOU signed with Messrs Spring Bio Private Limited, Bengaluru, SPY Agro Industries Limited, Nandyal, Andhra Pradesh for feed development. The collaboration with Kanan Devan Hill Plantations Company Private Limited to improve and upscale the rainbow trout hatchery, farm operation at Rajamalai, Munnar, Kerala. The tie-up with ICICI Foundation Private Limited for undertaking rural livelihood development program. The DCFR has brought a dynamic teaming mechanism to bring private sector to play its role as well.
Although Directorate has achieved tremendous success over the last 10 years. But there are various challenges in front of this directorate to achieve in near future. Among the important challenges among us are the nutritional challenges, production and development of low-cost feed, then production of a climate-resilient rainbow trout, and also Directorate has been adopting lot of programs, research programs in this direction, and will be able to achieve our objectives, achieving the higher fish production and enhancing farm fish production in the country.
ICAR DCFR's achievements in the last 10 years have established new benchmarks and came up to new challenges of the future. The emerging challenges of water conservation, the challenge of meeting the climate change, new climate resilient species to be developed, enhancing farmers' income and fish production, adding new entrepreneurs, meeting the nutrition requirement in different life stages of cold water fish. We must preserve our natural resources and optimize their sustainable utility, thus to create avenues to conserve and to develop our knowledge of cold water fish to expand to newer horizons. ICAR, Directorate of Cold Water Fisheries Research. A film by Nepatya Communications.